Okay, well, she's still a little bit winter out, but it's the end of February. Looks like she's starting to warm up a little bit. Oh, she wet. There is 2 build sheets. So I found 2 build sheets in this car when I was working on it. It only had one owner before me, one previous owner, an old lady, and she kept all the maintenance records. I still have the original sales receipt from 1983. Derek on Vice Grip Garage, he was showing pictures of build sheets that he found. He found one and it was all dirty, and he said, "Oh, this is amazing, I found one." And this car, I found 2, and I commented, he said he'd never heard of that before. So it might be something rare. My stepfather actually worked in GM for 22.5 years, and he said they would throw the build sheets out at the end of the build. Sorry for my shaky camera work today, but she's a little bit chilly out here. She's a tidbit chilly out here in Canadian land. Anyway, I might have to find the keys and fire the old girl up. It's funny speaking about Vice Grip Garage because I think he just did an 84 Camaro video, which is the same generation F body as this. Haven't really done much with this girl aside from parked it and put the louvers on in the fall. I don't know about the louvers, I'm not in love with them. They kind of match the spoiler a little bit. What do you think we should do to the BirdBox this year? I've got some stuff that I haven't, got some parts that I haven't really talked about yet, so we'll have something to do for sure. She's still a little bit winter out, but it's the end of February. So that's good, because I'm kind of sick of winter, to be honest. But there's better days ahead, so there's something to look forward to. I'm trying out some new AirPods for microphone, so we'll see how that turns out. But I figure we're overdue for a cold start video on the old fire turd here, BirdBox. So I've only opened it once this winter, and I did fire it up just to make sure the battery was okay. But I never really made a good video. So I figure we'll do a cold start on her and try out the AirPods for the microphone. Ooh. Well, the interior light comes on, so that's always a good sign. Fuel pump sounds like the battery's a little bit low, which it very well could be. I hate running it right now because the tune and the fuel trims are not dialed in. But just circulate the fluids and check for rodents and stuff. Sometimes rodents will hibernate in the car over the winter. Oh no. Well, the battery's drained. That's weird because I had it running like a couple weeks ago. Oof. I don't have a battery charger out here, but I do have this solar panel out here. Man, was not expecting that, but I guess you can't win that all the time, every time. I don't really feel like dragging out a battery charger. I need to get one of those battery booster pack. Oh, the poor girl. Sun's pretty much down today, so she might not run today. It's a new day. Sun's shining, the birds are chirping, snow's melting a little bit, so we might have a chance of redemption today. I'm kind of enjoying these AirPods because my voice used to change when I got further away from the camera or microphone. So I found a way to use the AirPods with video. Hope the battery's okay because I just bought it last fall. I don't think it died completely over the winter. I did have it running once. Such a pain in the ass trying to put booster cables on a side post. Try that booster pack and see if it does anything. Sounds alright. Oof. Sorry about the shaky camera work. I need to get a different intake here. Oh, my mass airflow sensor is not plugged in. Huh. Okay. Well, she's sitting at 14.4 volts right now. 14.3. Cold. I had it running for a few minutes earlier there before lunch, and I decided to come back and warm it up a little bit. I might change the tune. I've got a few tunes saved on LS Droid, so I might actually flash a different tune into it. But it needs a good voltage, so I might have to keep the battery charger on for that if I do that. Looks like she's starting to warm up a little bit. I can see my breath a little bit. But I think it's +3 out today, or it did get up to +3 today. Things were melting a little bit, so that's good. I'm not sure how good you can hear the exhaust with the AirPods, but it's a handy microphone for walking away from the camera, and it seems to work Bluetooth, so I'm not sure how good you can hear the exhaust. The louvers are recent. They were recently installed last fall, but the car's been sitting all winter, hibernating all winter, so it's good just to hear it and to warm it up and circulate the juices. I just wanted to fire it up and charge up the battery a little bit for a couple minutes. Well, I got her running with these two, mostly that one, but now I'm using this one. She's cranking out a big heavy duty 5 amps. Got the special tape on there, and sometimes the light blinks, so that's good. I guess the battery needs a good charge after sitting all winter, so I won't be flashing any tunes, I guess, but it runs. It's good to hear it run. It's hip to be square. It's hip to be square.